is fine. See, this accepts right plus. Very good. Database server. Where is the server? Which region it is? Let's go to Mumbai. Any server is created? No, right? Why? Serverless. There and these servers created. These are not, these are, okay, these are server only. Server access this is. Understand? This is server access. Are you able to log in this? Are you able to log in this? To do some activities? No. Server permission not your end. But if you create a server on top of the installed database, you can log in, you can do anything. Whatever custom actions, if you want to provide anything. But here, no custom actions. Follow what they're saying. Clear or not? Yeah. Okay. Your server is running which availability zone? One availability. Your server size is what? T4z.micro. T2.micro not supports here. CPU what? 3% present. Zero connections. Running on which VPC? This VPC. Okay? Yeah, perfect. First, we'll discuss what is private connection later. First, let me discuss the public connection. So guys, to connect a database, we required one endpoint first, plus username password. This is the endpoint. And go to configurations. This is my username. This is my password. Clear? Okay. So, connect a database. We are using some third-party tools. The third-party tool is SQL Workbench, pgadmin, these kind of tools. So we can use MySQL Workbench tool to connect database. If I click on this, okay, if you download, this application will be downloading your local. After that, you can come here, open MySQL Workbench. Okay, clear till here? Yeah. Okay. Let's go now. The option is, okay, click on the this connection. Less simple. These are my existing connections. You don't worry for this. Your end nothing will show. Connect, create a first connection by clicking on the plus. I will share end-to-end document. Don't worry. How to install also. My end is very clear doc prepared. Connection name you can give anything. Something multi-cloud DevOps. Your wish is your connection. And host name means what? Endpoint. That means endpoint. Click on this. Give here. Username is what?
What do you mean?
Admin I have given. Password you can enter here. Next OK. Test connection. Successfully made the MySQL connection. If you are unable to connect MySQL, if you are unable to connect MySQL, you need to check 2 points first. One is this database publicly acts enable or not. Plus port number is what? MySQL run on 3306 port number. Whatever security group is attached, right? The SG should enable 3306 port. Otherwise, not possible to connect. Two conditions clear, right? Perfect. Okay. Okay. Now this is your connection. After OK, open this connection. Now you are inside of MySQL server inside terminal. directly, not server inside. Server inside, MySQL inside, you are here, not server inside. If you are inside server, you can do any changes. They are giving directly MySQL access to you only. In that server, so many things running. We don't know that. We need MySQL only. Clear till here? Tell me how to start the process. First, what I need to create database, then tables, then records. Clear? Let's you can take ChatGPT help also, or we can create a small queries only. If you want to create a database, create database, name, give like this. These are queries. No upload option directly, like I said. Writing queries only DBM software can understand and give this data inside the database. Now click on this to execute this query. Database created, right? Just click on this or refresh it. Just database is created. If I want to create a table, table should be created inside the database, right? Right or not? Yeah. Let's take now the sample table script. Create sample table. MySQL. So create a table. Yeah. So this is create table script. Create table. Table name is what? Employees. How many columns are there? 5 columns. ID, name, department, salary, hire date. But this table should be created to where? You just select this first and click on this. Error, no database selected. So table should be there inside the database, right? In that case, test dot. So that table will create inside this database. Clear or not? Now don't run directly. If you hit here, this query will run, this query also will run again. But you want to run this query, right? Select, run. Created, right? Go to test, tables, employees. Click on the employees, columns, ID, name, separate, salary, hire. Is there any records here? Empty columns. So we can ask to ChatGPT give some records also. Already giving here. Yeah, already giving here. Okay. So inserting data into how many columns? Here, name, department, salary, hire date. Okay. Okay. Insert query. Let's go. Control V. So copy, select and run. Again error. Why? No database selected. This employee is running into test database. Test dot. Okay. Run. Clear now? Records also updated. How to check? Select star from test dot employees. These are the records. Clear now? So real time, guys, you no need to do anything this task. Just I'm explaining only. This is not your responsibility 100%. Database team is there. The data can take care with by database team. Cluster you can take care. Cluster means read replicas, masters, security, monitoring, alerting, everything your responsibility. Data, their responsibility. Database team. Clear now? Configurations your responsibility. But still we should understand right how this will work. That's why. Okay, my master is clear right now. Next is what, guys? My master is running, inside data is updated. All good now. Now confusing for me a bit. bit. Yeah, me also confusing. I don't know these queries and all at that time. Practice time. I worried him a lot. Now we can easily understand. So if you are confusing, na, create confused to ChatGPT. How to create table, how to create. It will give common things. Okay. Don't think much. How this query is running. That's what I'm saying, right? Learning new things also important. Whatever required stuff all you can take it. We can purchase a car, right? We drive a car. How car is working, how wheels are rotating, how engine is starting. If you think like that, you won't go to your office, right or not? Yeah. Whatever the things are there in our plate, we can take it only. Don't think much. We don't have time, right? I don't know. I'm using my car, right? I don't know how it is working, but still I'm using. Yeah. That's what. That is very important. How this query is running, where it is going, where it is converting. If you think like that, na, very difficult. Yeah. Okay. Anyway, good practice today. So next concept, what your task is, your task is. I will share end-to-end process. Very easy process. Okay. Next, what you can do, go to actions. Here, read replica is there, right? Click on this. Here, read replica credentials, master credentials, both are same. Clear now? Even it will not allow to create any separate credentials also. But remaining steps are common. See, this is also database only, but read database. So now, whenever you can create a read replica, the background they will give one instance. That instance should accept only read traffic. Clear? Okay. Now, replica source is what? Database 2. You can give read to something, whatever the name, your wish. Read replica also. Read replica also. You can select same class, T class only, don't give any other classes. Storage also keep as is. So here, regions. You can create different region, read replicas. Or you can create same region, your wish. If you create same region, you are able to see database read replica in the same place. If you create read replica different region, there you can go and check read replica created or not. Clear? And next, read replica also, you can select again while creating a read replica. Again, you can select read replica, again sub read replica, they will take care. Don't go for that level. Simple single replica only. Next, so availability zone. Inside region, which availability zone? If you are selecting a same region, select a different agent, not same agent. Okay, that's it. Create. Same steps, except username password. For time being, you don't select any monitoring and all, the time will come. Not after read replica created, na, and which region you are creating, after some time, read replica will create, read replica endpoint also will come. Right or not? After create read replica, click on that read replica like database. For example, this is master, this is read replica, understand? If I click read replica, I'm able to see endpoint. Take this endpoint and again open one more tab MySQL workbench. Create a one more connection for read replica and check inside the primary inserted data came or not. Clear now? Whatever the data you inserted right already, this data there or not, you can go and check by running a say. Don't insert the query, just select star from query only you can run. Or no need to run any query. Simply refresh here, see test database is there or not inside. And later, click on the table, click on the employees, click on the columns, see this information there or not, you can check the read replica. Yes, if it is there. Try to create any database or table inside the read replica. It will not allow. It will throw an error. As this is read not accepting to create any query, right? This is second condition. Third condition, from the master itself. Now again you can add the records. Same records reflecting or not read replicas to side by side you can check. Clear the three conditions. This is your work for tomorrow and today. Tell me any questions. It's not like more latency. Yeah, maybe the some latency is there, but still it is a read, right? No. Tasks are what? Okay, let me share the document. Guys, don't blindly follow the document. Everything is there in that, but just try to understand and do it. Huh? Meanwhile, you can ask any questions. Okay, you can practice them. So I have shared the document into your group. You can check. Okay. So this is the document. Okay. So creating database. You can use any method, postman also you can use. I need data should be insert. You can connect from the one EC2 instance also you can use. I will show everything. Debian EC2 also I will discuss. Debian EC2 how to work, EC2 to database how to connect. The things are there. See MySQL Workbench download also I'm updating here. So how to download also there here. After that how to connect also there here. After that how to insert the records also there here. The query also I have given. This is the query, table creation query. You can change if required. And I have given insertion also records. After that Mac also will work, MySQL Workbench. Next create read replica. Read replica process. And after create read replica, you can see the data. Select star from, you'll be able to see the data. After that, try to insert the third record from the read replica. You will get error like this, not accept. After that, doing some activities from the master, you are able to see read replica directly. Okay, everything is there in the document. Yeah, classroom also we will. I'm sharing already everything in the classroom also. Paint. Okay. By seeing this paints, you may worry. Okay, now any question, share it in the group. Leave it for others. We'll see how you guys can discuss internally. Otherwise, you're not active in the groups. If I say everything here, simply you can go and relax. I mean, not relax. You have other tasks. I know, but good practice. Team interactions very important. Okay. Any questions? No questions. we can use only these many engines only. By the way, let me show you delete process also. Go to actions. So these many options I need to discuss. Okay, just we are creating only. Database is a very vast subject. We need to discuss so many things. Important also. Here you can understand at least 60 to 70% options, not on the data. Focus is here. They don't know. You only know these configurations. Database team only knows data. You know only this. Delete. Create a final snapshot is there, right? Uncheck this. Uncheck. Acknowledge. Type delete me. Clear? So we can create a scripts also. .sql file. .sql file you can add inside multiple queries. If you run .sql file, all queries will be executed one time. Understood? First query execute database creation, second query execute table creation, third query execute records inserted. So here three times I ran the query. First database created, then table created, then records inserted, right? All three if you add into the one file. The file extension should be .sql. Then you can run that query. Automatically everything will be created. I will show you. Good question. Now after deleting this can be write in a replica. Already replica is there, right? You can promote. Okay. Let me write all the steps what you need to do. First is what? Create database by selecting reader option. Single DB. MySQL. Next is what? After that, and enable public access. Don't forget, okay? Note, enable public access. Port also 3306. SG. Okay. Next is what? Connect to connect through MySQL workbench and create a friend is there. Sunday is also there, right? But Monday before day Sunday, right? That's what the problem is.